Hello friends, welcome to AYG Tech World YouTube channel. So now I am going to share how to add Google account in our mobile and how to remove our Google account in our mobile. So let's start our video. First you have to open Google and choose your account and then click on add account option and another account option and select Google. After that you have to enter your email that you want to add in your mobile. Click on next after entering your email ID and enter your password also now. After entering the Gmail account password, you have to click on next option. Scroll down and click on yes I am in and click on I agree. So that it will access to our Google services to our email account. So the account has added. So now we will check. So this is our account we have just added. So in this way you can add account to our mobile. So now we will see how to remove account from our mobile. So for this you have to find the settings option. After that scroll down and find users and accounts option. So it is not equal to all the mobiles. So then and next find Google and then click on that. After that select your email ID. So click on two dot option and click on remove account here. So that your account will be removed. The saved contacts in your account also removed from the device because you have removed that account. So let's check if the account have removed or not. So there is no such type of account, so that it will remove. So this is our video. I hope all understood how to add and remove accounts. Thank you friends.